Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Positivity and Happiness. First of all, a very Merry Christmas to all of you.
Merry Christmas.
Yeah, so my friends, we are out and we are very excited to celebrate this year Christmas here in Denmark. And now the time is around 3:30, right?
Yeah.
Now the time is around 3:30. We are going to city center. We'll spend some time there. I'll show you whatever I'm going to do. And then we'll come back home. I'll make some dinner. So I'll show you everything. Today's video or vlog will be all about my Christmas Eve vlog. So please keep watching this vlog.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see.
And here you can see, my friends, we have reached here in the city center and it's looking so gorgeous, so glittery, especially these beautiful fairy lights and those beautiful buildings, antique stores, shops. Everything is so well decorated, so well organized. It seems like everybody is enjoying this beautiful time of this winter. And especially look at this very big and glossy Christmas tree. Last day we have seen it and I just wanted to show you all my lovely viewers that how beautiful this place looks like.
It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Now this is the most fun place here in Aalborg, especially in winter Christmas season. Look at this very big beautiful fairy wheel, and this is the main entrance of this Christmas fair. There are so many other shops. So today we have some time with us, so we thought of okay, let's roam around this beautiful fair. So you also keep enjoying this beautiful view with us. And after watching this fair for a few minutes, we'll go back home. Then I'll make some delicious dinner. But before that, let's enjoy this fun fair.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Wish you a Merry Christmas, wish you a Merry Christmas, wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. So my beautiful friends, we are back at home. Now it's evening coffee time. We didn't have coffee outside today because last day we had lot of outside food. So today we thought of we are not going to eat anything outside. So we are back home. Now we are going to enjoy our evening coffee. In this extreme cold weather, whenever you are having this warm coffee sitting here in your living room, it just feels great. I don't know why I always prefer, I always prefer to eat homemade food, homemade homemade coffee. Yeah, but whenever we are outside, we do shopping or we go out, then definitely we eat outside food. But it's always special to have some yummy, delicious homemade food. So what do you think? Please let me know in the comment section. And
peanut time.
It's peanut time. Here is Bikram too. You can see he is also wearing this Christmas cap, Santa Claus cap, and also Merry Christmas is written here. But in your cap it's not written.
No.
Actually, I was liking this cap more, so I got it.
So Merry Christmas again to all of you.
Yeah.
And hope you have a fantastic Christmas this year, like us.
Yeah. This year little special, even though this year we just only we are celebrating Christmas here. Back in Kolkata we usually spend this time with lot of our family members. We do lot of home parties. We invite everyone, do potlucks. But that's okay. Sometimes, you know, this is also special in one way because we are at Europe in Denmark. So this is really special for us also. This year little special because we are celebrating it here in Europe. Now here you can see I'm in my kitchen to make today's very special and delicious dinner. So today I'm going to make chicken ghee roast. So for that I have marinated my chicken pieces with some yogurt and also with ginger garlic paste, little bit of salt and black pepper powder. And here in this bowl you can see I have already soaked my basmati rice for 30 minutes now. Because today I'm going to make some vegetable rice. So for that I'll need all these vegetables. There are some capsicums and also some peas. And here you can see I have taken few cumin seeds, fennel seeds and also these dry red chilies to make the ghee roast. And there I have grated some onion, 2 large onion, and there cumin powder, dhania powder and also red chili powder. And here is. Now let's start making chicken ghee roast. Here you can see I have taken this butter ghee. This is a very flavorful and pure form of ghee. Here I am taking 1 big tablespoon of this butter ghee. And now I'm gonna melt this ghee and then I'll start putting all the dry spices. Now here is my ghee is melted properly. Now you can see I am adding all the dry red chilies and some cumin seeds, fennel seeds and fenugreek seeds. Now I am going to roast it really well and then I'll add my grated onions. So here I am adding 2 grated onions. Now it's time to add some salt and little bit of sugar because this ghee roast is really tasty if you can use just a little amount of sugar. And here I am giving it a very good mix. And now it's time to add all the dry spices. Here I am adding cumin powder, coriander powder, turmeric and also red chili powder. And now I am mixing all the ingredients properly and thoroughly. It looks like my masala is getting really well cooked. Now here at this point I am going to add my marinated chicken pieces here. And again I am going to give it a very good mix. And here at this point I am going to add chopped tomatoes. I don't want to add tomatoes before, otherwise your chicken pieces will be little hard. So here I am just adding it now. And again it's time to give it a mix, and see, my chicken is getting cooked properly. And now it's time to add just a little amount of warm water, not much, just a little amount of that. We can skip this part, adding water, but today since we are having it with some rice, so here I am adding just a little amount of water. And after giving water and cooking it for 5 to 10 minutes, now my chicken is looking like that. Now my chicken is looking like absolutely perfect. I cannot tell you, my friends, how flavorful it is. And now it's well cooked. It's really soft and moist. So now I'm going to turn off the flame. And here quickly I want to show you my ingredients to make vegetable rice. Here you can see cloves, then mace, 1 cinnamon stick. So in the hot oil I'm going to add all these dry spices, and then I'm going to mix it well. And now I'm gonna add all my cut vegetables here. Look at these vegetables, they are looking absolutely colorful and gorgeous, just perfect for this winter season. And now I'm going to add my rice here. This recipe is very basic and very simple. We Bengalis actually always love to have this kind of very simple, sweet and delicious fried rice recipe. So here I am mixing all the ingredients properly. And here you can see my rice is absolutely ready. I have cooked this rice in medium to high flame for 5 to 7 minutes. And now it's looking super gorgeous, really tempting and appealing. Especially with all these winter vegetables, it's looking even more gorgeous. And now I'm going to add some garam masala, and this is the final step. So it's absolutely ready now. And finally, here is my Christmas special delicious dinner is completely ready. You can see my winter special vegetable rice, which is looking really gorgeous and very tempting. And there is my chicken ghee roast. It's really spicy and also super flavorful and tasty. I already have tasted just a little. And I have decorated with some lemon and some coriander leaves. And here is my absolute favorite green salad. And there is just a little amount of bundi ka raita for 2 of us, me and Bikram. So yeah, that is my Christmas Eve special dinner.
So my friends, my cooking is absolutely done now. It didn't take much time, you can see. So it's right here. I have organized everything. Also, I have cut some fresh salad because already you know that without salad, I can't even imagine my dinner or lunch. And also small bowl of raita. And now there you can see, or probably know, Bikram is on the other side of the living room. Bikram is lighting up some candle now. We are going to have a candlelight Christmas Eve dinner. So that was today's vlog. I'll show you how it looks like my dining table and living room. So I hope you have enjoyed my cooking. As I told you, it's very simple. If you can marinate your chicken for 40-45 minutes, then it will take just 15 to 20 minutes. But today I was actually expecting to make this dish with some leg piece or wings, but we didn't have that. But that's okay, it tastes really good and my kitchen is smelling like awesome. So okay, now I'll shift all the food items into my dining table and then we'll enjoy our Christmas Eve dinner. So please keep watching the vlog.
And my friends, this is how my dining table and my living room looks like. You already have seen my Christmas decoration vlog. Many of you have appreciated my decoration, so I'm really thankful for that. And today while I was cooking in the kitchen, Bikram has organized all these candles and everything. So now its table is set, so we are going to enjoy a very special Christmas Eve candlelight dinner.
So my friends, I hope you have enjoyed today's vlog. Now we are enjoying our dinner. It's Christmas Eve dinner, very special. And tomorrow also there is a very special day. Tomorrow we are going for a day out. I'll show you, I'll share everything with you. So I hope you have enjoyed. Tomorrow also you please enjoy with your friends and family, and do let me know how you enjoyed your special Christmas day this year. And thank you so much for watching my vlog today. I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new vlog, with a brand new video. So tata, bye bye, love you.